In this video, we will show you how to create a mixed home in the Powerview app with Powerview and Bliss shades. When creating a mixed Powerview and Bliss environment, there are a few key steps to follow to ensure a successful setup. First, if you have any Bliss shades already added in the Bliss app that you want to include in this Powerview home, those shades must be deleted and reset within the Bliss app before proceeding. This is required so that they can be properly discovered and added into the Powerview system. It's important to note that if you're adding Bliss shades to your Powerview home, you must have added a Powerview shade first before you can add your Bliss shades. Next, open the Powerview Gen 3 app and create a new home. Then we're going to add your Powerview shades. Then we're going to add your Bliss shades. From there, follow your standard process for setting up a Powerview home, including programming remotes, configuring shade limits and other settings, and adding gateways and completing the system setup. Here's some important details you need to be aware of for remotes in the Powerview system. If you are using Bliss shades, a Bliss remote can be programmed through the Powerview app, but it will control Bliss shades only. A Powerview remote can be used to control both Powerview and Bliss shades if needed. Here's some important notes for gateways and bridges in the Powerview system. Only after the gateway is installed can you add a Bliss bridge to the home. This order is critical for proper system functionality. A Powerview gateway can connect to both Powerview and Bliss 2.0 shades in a mixed environment. A Powerview gateway must be installed before a Bliss 2.0 bridge can be added. Keep in mind that a Bliss 2.0 bridge is not necessary unless additional gateway coverage is needed. If additional gateways are warranted, an Alta Bliss 2.0 bridge or a Powerview gateway can be added to serve as a secondary or auxiliary gateway within the Powerview system. After adjusting all your settings, adding all your accessories, and making all your adjustments in the Powerview app, you have now created a mixed Powerview and Bliss home using the Powerview Gen 3 app.